Hi, my wonderful friend. Today I'm going to make a quick video to talk about the most common mistake people make when they practice Poomsae. This mistake mostly exists in the color belt students, but still some black belt students have this problem. I don't know why. Yeah. Hey, it's you. I'm talking about you, robot, banana, potato, and Mr. Glass. Yes, I'm talking about you guys. Yes, I make this video because I don't want to keep repeat in the class, hopefully. And I'm going to show the mistake, what they made, and then I'm going to explain. So let's start, and you can comment below what problem you see. So, low block, right? And then comment below if you know the problem. And now I'm going to practice the proper way and you will see the difference. Low block, right? This is low block. And next, chest block. Next, double knife hand block. And now you can see the difference. The most common mistake is you have to keep this in mind. In Poomsae, all the movements start with a chamber position. So low block, you need to start with the chamber position. Please keep this in mind. In Poomsae, all the movements start with a chamber position. Poomsae is not the collection of posture. It's not let you show off cool posture. It is the movements designed together to let you practice this martial arts. You have to make each movement clear and direct. If it's low block, chamber position, low block. Low block is not just this. Low block, chamber position, and the chest block is not just this. Chamber position, right? Chamber position. See the hands here? See? From here to here. Same thing, knife hand block. It's not just a right hand. You need to start with the chamber position. You can imagine, here is something you are going to pull out. Also the palm block. See my hand, chamber position here? And next, chamber position here. Alright, chamber position here. So this is a common mistake most people when they practice Poomsae. Usually exists in the color belt student. And if your black belt student have this problem, okay, I just made some simple examples in this video. and just help you to understand. Avoid this problem. These are common problem, and keep this in mind. All the movements in Poomsae is start with a chamber. Start with its chamber. Poomsae is not the collection of cool posture to let you show off. Poomsae is design all the movements to help you practice. You have to make all movements proper, clear, direct. Okay? Thank you for checking my video and see you next time.
Wow.